How he get 3 levels? 2 wins.
He probably went off.
21 points.
Man, that guy looks like fucking Antonio Brown.
What?
True.
Which one?
Going in the middle.
Middle.
Not you.
Yo, Gio, you gotta get level 3. We gotta do squad intros.
I know, this guy's all trash.
Ali. What's this?
We're all over here.
Man,
Fucking Ezra.
dude, I swear.
Wait, who has the ball? Oh! Oh my god, that guy just pushed me.
Yeah, that was weird.
I was gonna pull up.
I wanted these two.
Chris doing jumping jacks. I should have.
Oh shit!
God damn it! You should have told me how to pass that. Oh, I'm lagging. Oh my. Oh. Oh my god! I thought that was for me.
It was.
I was gonna dunk it, Chris.
I was already holding X before I got the ball. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna shoot it.
Dang.
Dang it.
Oh. You blocked it?
I was about to throw an oop. But last time I threw a little
no.
bounce pass.
Yeah. That's true.
Oh, get that out.
Oh. Oh.
What?
Oh my god! I was already running.
Oh.
Dang.
What?
Whoa, what? So they get the point?
Oh. That was weird.
What?
What?
Oh.
Wow.
What am I doing? Oh my god! I was off the court. I'm lagging so bad. Okay, I'm back. Hey!
What's that? Ah!
Oh, I jumped too early.
Fuck no. Fuck no.
Oh, let's go.
Block.
Man, I'm averaging like 5 assists a game. Fuck no.
Okay, it didn't let me move.
What?
Where's that lateral quickness?
Oh my god, that was for Chris.
Oh fuck, I thought you were in the corner.
5 seconds.
Ooh, good shot.
Oh. Soft.
Man, that guy took the stupidest shot.
Oh!
I was already adding one to my assists.
Damn.
Oh, Ezra, cut in.
What?
Dude, I always miss those. How? I don't understand.
Did that guy say get off my man?
He's gay.
Get off my main.
Oh.
Oh, what? I hear. Whoa, that guy took off so quick.
Hold on. What?
Hey guys.
What happened there?
I was expecting you to move.
I couldn't move anymore. What do you mean?
After you passed it, you just stood there by me. Oh, I didn't block it.
Oh.
You hit nothing
My
but
head
air.
hit
What
the
are you
rim.
talking about?
Oh
Nice.
man, come on, man.
Pull up.
Oh man, come on, man.
Why, Ezra? Why do you ask for it?
I don't ask for it. I'm setting a screen.
You don't think this turns
His
white?
hands are in
as
his
soon as
pockets.
I'm about to pass it across. Nah, there's no way. I'm a double.
Dude, dunk it. Oh, whatever, man.
Shit,
I'm over here trying to get a triple double, and you guys just. Dang!
No!
I forgot how to do that. I think you press.
I think it was
like
like
Y.
LT or some shit. I
I
got
was scared.
Fuck no.
Oh.
Oh damn. Oh my god! That's so stupid.
What was that? Man.
Ah!
Oh my god. I'm not passing you again anymore.
Fuck you. You wanna get out of my way, Craig? God damn.
Let me finish the game. Let me
There's
finish it. Let me finish it. I'm gonna finish it.
Let me finish it.
Right here.
I
You are
mean,
not.
Finish it. Oh, Ezra.
Hold on, I know.
This is wide open. I never passed it.
I know. I've been open this entire time.
Yeah, but shoot it, shoot it! Jesus Christ.
Man.
If we lose this shit.
There's no way. These guys are trash. Dang, Ezra, what are you doing?
What do you mean?
Alright, I'm gonna pull up from half court. If
Should
that's
have
okay
pulled
with
up
you
a long
guys.
time ago. You never fucking pulled up.
I'm gonna do it from half court.
Dang, I was trying to shoot.
No, Ezra.
Let's go.
Dang.
Damn it.
What?
You guys are doing the same
I
thing.
hit that ball. My favorite one.
This is our longest streak.
Yeah.
What, is it 3 or 4?
3.